Hello and welcome to the C lecture. As we know the limitation of union, we have one more user-defined data type, which is structure. The keyword struct is used to define a structure. Here struct student. Like union, we have to give semicolon at the end of the structure. Here we can declare variables. Syntax of structure and union are same, but the working procedure is different. Structure will give memory to individual members, while union will not. So, structure is more powerful than union. Here we are creating one object of structure. Struct student S. To take value from the user, we have to write printf enter roll number. Here in scanf %d address of s dot rm. For percentage, we can write enter percentage scanf %f address of s dot per. For the output, printf /n/n/n, you can write multiple /n, roll number equals to %d and s dot rm. To print percentage, you can write percentage equals to %f and s dot per. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Roll number, suppose 1, and percentage is 70. So here is the output, 1 and 70. So this is user-defined data type structure with struct keyword. Thank you.